Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this pink smoky eye. So if you'd like to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. So I'm first taking this shade here from the Morphe 35M eyeshadow palette, and I'm using that as my transition shade in the crease. Next, taking this plum shade just to add some more definition to the eye. Then blending it back out with the first shade that we went in with. After that, I'm taking this shade here and applying it to the outer corner of the eye, and this will just start adding some smokiness to the outer edge. Then blending it back out with the transition shade. I feel it is better to add the darker colours, then blend it back out to get a nice seamless blend. Next, I took the black shadow in the palette and I added that to the outer corner, focusing it to the outer edge where the liner will sit. I then just blended the black in to create a smooth blend between the colours. And then again went back in with the first shadow to make sure you can still see the pink showing through on top. After that, I used the Maybelline Eraser Eye Concealer just to carve out the eyelid shape where the shimmer shadow will go on top. I then took this shade here and applied it on top of the eyelid shape that we carved out. I just feel this is easier so you get to see where that shimmer shadow will definitely sit on and it doesn't get mixed in with the matte shadows that we use. Next, I took the black shadow and buffed it into the ending of the eyelid shade, just so there was a nice smooth blend into the darkness of the outer corner. I then went in with the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Eyeliner and used that to create a winged liner. You are best to start with a straight line across the eyelid and then wing out from the outer corner to create that wing shape. I then went in with some concealer just to touch up the edge of the liner and make it have a nice crisp finish. After that, I went back in with that black eyeshadow and placed it on top of the liner just to create that overall smoky eye look. So all the dark colours that we use should be focused to the outer corner. Then blended back over top with that transition shade once more. I then applied a top coat of mascara just to make sure the lashes were nice and black before adding lashes. I then went in with the Unicorn Cosmetics Density eyelashes. These are so lovely and dramatic and they were the perfect shape for this look. Next, I took the first shadow that we used and applied that to the bottom lash line. And then buffed out the black shadow closest to the bottom lashes to round off the whole look. Please remember, if you do see any looks over on my Instagram page, to let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a tutorial on how to recreate them. I then took the Esquido black liner and applied that to the waterline so there was no space in between. And then finished it off with a coat of mascara to the bottom lashes. To highlight, I used this shade here in the palette on the brow bone and inner corner. Then use the Doll Beauty Like a Diamond highlighter on the cheekbones. For lip liner, I used the Collection lip liner in the shade Cappuchino. Then I applied the NYX Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Beijing. I next added the Unicorn Cosmetics lip gloss on top. And I absolutely love the finish that it gave to the lips. It makes them look so glossy and really stand out. And the packaging is absolutely amazing. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Also remember to follow me on Instagram. My name is Natalie_BrownX over there. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!